everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel, and it is time to check in with my project pan. This is a pan I'm doing year long, and I have a palette that I'm panning, and I will tell you about it when we get to the palette. I realized I didn't take pictures the first time I did it. I didn't take pictures the second time I did it, or I did and I couldn't find them. So what I've done is I've gone back and grabbed screenshots from the videos. So the pictures aren't that great, but it will kind of give you an idea. So I will have, with my bronzer and my eyeshadow palette, you will see some photos. Maybe not the best, but there are some photos. So let's get started. If you hear like white noise, ignore the dog. But if you hear like white noise, I have every fan on in this house. The heat is off. I have all my ceiling fans on. I have my fan right here on. I do have bad hot flashes now, but this is more than a hot flash when your son says, I'm hot in here. So I've got all the fans going because apparently winter's over now. I don't know. Crazy weather, crazy weather. All right. Let's get started. I am going to start with my, the one thing I saw the most progress on. And it's my Nivea Skin Firming Hydration Lotion. As you can see, if you can see, I marked it right there. That's where I was when I added it to the pan, project pan, and that's where I am now. I did, one of you told me to stick it up to the light, and I did. I stuck it up to a bare light bulb, and that really helped. I could really see. So got some good progress going with this. I want to use this all up, and when I use this up, I will add in another lotion because I have a little hoard of lotions that I need to use. Yeah, that's me. I have a little hoard. Next, what I saw no progress in, and that is my Sephora eyeliner. And this is in Blonde Ambition, and ignore, I said it was dirty last time. That's our previous marks. There, I think you can see it's still touching that same line. It's even though I've used it with every eye look. I don't always put my makeup on, but that's something I think I need to change. Even when I'm not leaving my house, which I don't leave my house a lot lately. But even when I don't, I need to put makeup on. So I'm going to try to really use that some more. I really like that pencil. I have some others that are a light color that I need to use up as well. But I do like that. Okay, next. What I can't tell where my progress is this, I need to clean this bottle up. Here, let me wipe it off a bit. It's this Clinique Fit Workout Makeup. This is a really nice foundation. And like I said, I'm panning it because of its age. I stuck this to the bare light bulb. I cannot. This packaging is so opaque. I can't see through it. So I have no idea where I am, but there's quite a bit left in there. And it is very liquidy. So it doesn't take a lot. So I got plenty left in there. I guess it'll be a surprise when we figure out, oh, I just ran out, because I can't tell. I can't tell at all. Now, my two powder products. My Essence Sun Club Matte Bronzing Powder. My lid broke off. I can just faintly smell it. The scent is going away. This is where I'm at. And I can tell, I'll put a photo over here. Photos of where we started. But I can see more of the pan. So it is going down. I like this bronzer, and truthfully, when I get through this year and get a lot of my makeup purged, things I don't want, and just, this is one I will repurchase. My color is in 02 Sunny, so I think it has 2 shades, and I hope they don't discontinue it. I do really like this. I'm using it up because of its age, basically, and because that scent is just not there. It has a scent of coconut, but it's fading away. But I have so many bronzers, it'll be a while before I purchase that. And now my Tarte in Bloom palette. My goal is to hit pan on 6 shadows. I've hit pan on 3. Oh, hope you can see here. There's a pan in that, a pan in that, and that's a shimmer, but there is a pan in that bottom shimmer. And then I have been focusing on this one, and there's a pretty good dip in it. So that's where I'm at right now. And then I use these others, but I'm not really focusing on them. I've been using that for my transition shade for all my looks. So I'm trying to hit pan on that. It's got, like I said, a really good dip. I actually have a pretty good dip in this one as well, because I like to use that one. That's Sweetheart. Smarty Pants is the one I'm working on. And I have discovered I really like this shade Rocker. I never really used it. It's like a shimmer taupe. I don't know how well that's swatched. I really like that shade. I've used it a couple times, and I'm like, I do like that shade. The more I use this palette, the more I really love this palette. This used to be my favorite palette of all. And like I said, I'm trying to pan them because of the age. I don't want to feel like I just wasted my money purchasing this and not using it to its full extent. So my goal is not to empty this thing all the way out, although it should be. But for me, I know that's not what's going to happen. So my goal is to hit pan in 3 shades. Now these, as the year goes on, those will probably, maybe all 3 of these might get really used down, because I still use those when I use this palette. So there we go. That is the update on my project pan. If you guys are doing a project pan, please let me know down below if you're trying to pan anything and how you're doing with it. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. Questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.